Hello everyone, we're back with another Midjourney exploration episode and I'm excited to share this one with you.
But before we begin, could you please do us a favor and like and subscribe to our channel for more Midjourney tutorials?
Let's see if we can add a funky pattern to our favorite villain, Darth Vader, and lighten up his mood a bit. I mentioned in our last episode that adding an URL to our prompts can impact the final image generated, so we're going to have some fun and try it out. When you join Midjourney, you'll be thrown into a new buyers group, but I have my own private group that I like to work with. Today, we're going to learn about a new parameter called tile and generate a seamless pattern that we can overlay on Darth Vader. To do this, we're going to use a tile prompt by adding tile to our request. Let's start by generating a fun pink, blue, and yellow 80s pattern using version 5. Once we have our patterns, we can choose the one we like the most. I'll choose the bottom left one, upscaling 3. We can check if the pattern is seamless by using a seamless texture checker, which is linked in Midjourney's documentation. Now, let's open up the Imagine, prompt and paste in the image link we just generated. We'll write Darth Vader with a wild, expressive, glossy, reflective and photorealistic look to make him feel real. Let's also add a dark background with dramatic lighting for effect. The results are incredible. The pattern is nicely overlaid on Darth Vader's helmet, and the colourful spots on his mask add a unique touch. It's amazing how adding the image URL made a big difference in getting the real paint look. So there you have it, folks. That's how you can add a funky pattern to your favorite villain using Midjourney's tile prompt and image URL feature. Have fun exploring!